This is where raw, natural materials are transformed into luxury goods worth millions. What you're about to see happens inside one of the most advanced factories on Earth. The journey begins as elite Grey Brahman livestock arrive at the industrial complex. These magnificent animals are carefully guided into secure processing facilities. Every shipment is digitally inspected and verified before entering production. As operations begin, powerful machinery comes to life across the factory floor. Massive automated saws cut the raw horns into precise, workable sections. The freshly cut materials are organized and prepared for the next stage. High-pressure cleaning systems remove impurities from every horn piece. Advanced sterilization chambers ensure the materials meet strict standards. From engineering to global luxury, this is modern manufacturing at its peak. Computer-controlled machines shape each section with incredible accuracy. Precision lasers engrave and refine the horn surfaces to exact specifications. Skilled craftsmen perform detailed polishing to achieve a flawless finish. The transformed material now takes shape as elegant luxury combs. Designer accessories emerge, combining craftsmanship with modern manufacturing. Premium horn jewelry showcases the natural beauty of the material. Meanwhile, large leather sheets enter a separate high-tech production line. Rotating tanning drums enhance durability while preserving flexibility. Specialized equipment stretches and smooths the leather to perfection. Rich dyes are applied, creating deep and vibrant colors. Expert artisans carefully stitch premium leather products by hand. Luxury wallets and belts move steadily through the assembly process. Every finished item undergoes a thorough quality inspection. Automated vision systems scan products for even the smallest defects. Digital detection technology instantly identifies any imperfections. Approved products receive certification before leaving the facility. The luxury goods are carefully packaged in premium presentation boxes. Robotic systems efficiently load shipments for worldwide distribution. From the factory floor, the products begin their global journey. Export routes connect these luxury goods to markets around the world. From precision engineering to global luxury, this is modern manufacturing at its peak.